Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to second week video. Topic of this session is adverb. Adverb can be added to a verb to modify its meaning. It can also modify adjectives and other adverbs. It tells you when, where, how, in what manner or to what extent an action is performed. Many end in ly but not always. Examples: cheerfully, briskly, wickedly, delicately, fast, never, and now. There are six types of adverbs. Adverbs of time. Examples: already, ago, before, etc. I have heard this before. I have not seen him since. Adverb of frequency, which tell us about the repetition of an action. Always, usually, normally, etc. It's always cold in this room. I normally go to the gym. Adverb of place: here, everywhere, near, down, backward, upward. Is that your scarf there? I have lived here for about 2 years. Adverb of manner: so, slowly, badly, beautifully. The soldier fought bravely. Is that so? Adverb of degree. Example: almost, fully, rather. I am fully prepared. I am rather busy. Adverb of affirmation: certainly, surely. Yes or no. Surely you are mistaken. The design certainly looks good on paper. Preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its location or direction. It may also show a noun or pronoun's relationship to some other words in sentence. Example: to, with, against, by, from, at, for, across, in. Types of prepositions. Preposition for time: during, since, and for. Since and for used in perfect continuous tenses, in present perfect continuous tense, in past perfect continuous tense, as well as in future perfect continuous tense. Preposition for place, that is at, in, on, etc. Preposition for direction: above, across, straight. Preposition for agent, that is very well known, and that is by, in passive structure. Preposition for instrument. Preposition used with instrument is preposition for instrument. For example, he hit the nail with a hammer. This with is acting as a preposition for instrument. Then there are prepositional phrases, for example, in time, on watch, by nature, etc. Thank you for watching.